Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just working on one of these Briggs Stratton E Series overhead valve engines. And I wanted to share a quick tech tip about working on the carburetor. So these engines have this plastic development by Briggs Stratton. That's the carburetor right there that's underneath that air box. And they use a 10mm Allen key to get, or hex key, whatever you want to call it, to get this plug out, this bull plug. And the problem I've run into over time, not exactly with this mower, but with other brands of mowers, is the amount of space, the gap that is here is not enough to fit an Allen key. So I've got two here. I've got a regular, this is what you would go buy at the hardware store, and this is my solution to the problem. This key would need to go underneath, and on this Toro it just fits into that bowl receptacle, the bowl nut, and you can twist it out. However, on a lot of mowers this gap is much smaller and you can't fit one of these keys in between. So what I like to do, guys, is take a 10mm Allen key and I like to cut it right there, nice and short, and then see if I can get this on camera. There you go. Then you can actually slip this in between, like right there, and you got lots of room to move, lots of room to twist. You can twist it out. There comes the gas. You can twist it out and drop the bowl nut just like that. Same thing goes for putting it in. Just line it up, find that spot, twist it in like that, and it's back in. So guys, if you're having trouble dropping the bowl off these plastic carburetors and you don't want to go through pulling it all apart, because it's a hassle, there's a couple of rods and there's 4 screws, and if you don't get it right, if you don't get that O-ring and that clip seal in properly, you'll introduce more problems to your problem. Get yourself one of these 10mm Allen keys. I think these were on Amazon, nice and cheap. I think I got 3 for 10 bucks. I'll include the link at the bottom of the description underneath this video. Cut them with your hacksaw or your zip cut. You got the perfect tool to do the job. All right, I'm gonna get out and do some service calls. Thanks for watching.